Not so much.
They're here. Wait, bless you na.
Ano mga good vibes. Good morning. Natakaroon no, there is a UCMed sa Radiology Department. Kining ilang bag-ong isip.
Special blessings for the doctors and those who are working in this place. Father, make care of all things. You have given us the talents to design many things. Help us to use this machine in our work. May we bring you greater glory by all our actions and work to build your kingdom on earth. We ask you, Father, to endow also wisdom to our medical doctors, that may they employ their hands in bringing healing, especially to the sick. Heavenly Father, we will also bless all people who are in this place. Make us always aware of our common mission, and that is to bring healing to everyone, especially those who are in common and those who are sick. We ask in this through Christ our Lord. Amen. Shall now be proceeding
We
to
go
the
to the
next.
fifth floor for the other machine.